For one of the projects I'm currently working on, I'm recording a lot of string sounds, primarily violin, and I was thinking about also adding synthetic layers to this to contrast the organic, more string effects type sounds. And so I just quickly wanted to show you what I've been experimenting with. So first we're going to create a string type sound in Vital. And this is not something I came up with. I actually watched a tutorial. I'm going to link it in the description. But the basic idea here is very simple. We're just using one waveform with a bit of movement, and then we're going to wash the sound out with reverb and also a bit of filtering. So the second oscillator we're just going to use for frequency modulation. So we can turn the level down here and just set this to FM from oscillator 2. And as I mentioned, we are only using this one to give the first one some movement. So let's just increase the voices here. And then the movement is going to come from modulating the detune here. So just put an LFO on the detune and set it rather low. So we're just going to get some slight movement from this. Next step, we can also give it a bit of a more natural sounding volume envelope. So we just can use the master envelope here to give it a bit of attack, and then also play around with the sustain. The reverb is going to do the main work here. So just activate the reverb and set it to 100% mix. But especially the high end here is still sounding very synthetic, so we can just use filter 1 here and then cut quite a bit of the highs. And we can also use note on the cutoff, so that depending on the note we're playing, the filter is going to cut more or less of the highs. And so this is the very simple setup here in Vital. So I've been mainly trying to give this a bit more movement and primarily doing this with different distortion units. So for example, using Saturn here and just focusing on the low end and just maybe give this an LFO, put it on a drive, increase this a bit. We can also add a bit of the capitator. And all of this is going to be really subtle. Devil Lock is great, mainly because of the darkness here in combination with Crush. You can also add another reverb at the end here, because the one that we're using in Vital is mainly to shape the sound rather than placing it in a specific space. And so now main two ways I like to use this is if we just reduce the voices here and just enable the glide, do stuff like this that I really like. Also at a higher pitch. And if we duplicate all of this, we just increase the voices here again, then something like this can also be really interesting. Reduce the bend here to 1 semitone, and then we can also just make use of the MIDI pitch bend here. And again, same thing, sounds also interesting at a lot higher pitch. And obviously you can try different waveforms here also for the frequency modulation and just overall different settings. Again, the idea here is just to give it a bit more movement, make it sound at least a bit more organic. And then with various types of distortions, you can go quite extreme here as well if you want to make it also really low end heavy. Maybe if you want to go more into the direction of a Brahm or something like that. But with this you can make quite nice sounding dark atmospheres that kind of have this string character.